welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vintagelori, and today we are back at it again with the content you did not ask for, but you are what? You are what? You are what? You're finna get. Alright, let me scooch in a little bit closer. I will be wearing my bonnet for this tutorial because yeah, this is why. Listen, let me just be real with you guys. Alexa, I didn't ask for you to eavesdrop. That's what I thought. I got this new Alexa for Christmas, and she a little bit nosy sometimes. Anyways, guys, happy new year. We are bringing a new year together, and I'm very, very excited to bring you new content this year, like I said that I would. So that's what I'm doing right now. And this content I'm bringing to you is a thank you and a live from Instagram. This technique, new technique of doing makeup. Oh my god, ignore my thumb, please. I don't know where it went. I was looking for it, but I don't know where it went. Live from Instagram, literally all over the gram. Like, I just look this under foundation technique. Literally, I just opened the app and boom. So I said, you know what? Let me bring the people what the people want to know. Like, what is this whole underpainting thing? Do I have to do it as dramatic as this? I ain't trying to get demonetized. I need the coinage. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna get into it. We're gonna get into this. We are gonna get into this dirty wine video, and I'm so excited. So I'm gonna go take off these glasses, and I'm gonna put in some contacts because I will not be able to see if I don't. And we're gonna continue on with this video. So the first step in this thing is to moisturize your skin, because you don't want no dry skin in 2021. I'm going to be using the Step 1 Primer by Makeup Forever, and I'm just going to slather that on my face. It is really hydrating. I really like it / love it. The first thing that these gurus and these beauty influencers and these makeup artists do is they start by underpainting, contour, and you're highlighting, but you're doing it underneath your foundation. So today we are going to be using the Contour Cream Kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I should not be using the shade Light, but I bought this shade and I'm going to use it. Okay, regardless. And for the foundation today, we are using the Dior Backstage foundation. I absolutely love this foundation. I am running low, so I'm gonna have to go out and repurchase it. And I'm gonna start by creating that beautiful underpainting underneath. So you really do want to use something contrasting and this bright. So I'm using this cream highlighter, and I'm just literally just slapping it on my face. Don't know what that is. Like this. Now this is really dry, so some people do a mixing technique, and what they do is they add an oil to it, and I did add some oil, face oil to it before, so that's why I'm able to really like move it around. Done the highlighting part. I look a little crazy, but you can already see that we're gonna be getting snatched. I'm just gonna make sure that it's even. Cream found. I'm gonna have to meet your ass. Hold on.
I told you not to test me!
So the next step would be using the cream contour in your palette to contour your face, but these ones, they look really muddy on myself, and I rather something look a little bit warmer. So I'm gonna be using Dark Cocoa by Makeup LA Pro girl. And I'm gonna be using this to contour my face. Ah, there we are. Okay, so we're just gonna slap this on. Okay, I found my beauty blender. It was in my drawer in my bathroom. Dirty. A shame. But I tried to clean it just a little bit. So here it is. I can't believe I look this crazy, but anything for you guys. Anything. Hey guys, Lori here with the voiceover. I just wanted to come and kind of walk you through what I'm doing because if I didn't speed this up, this video would be way too long. So listen, I'm using a damp beauty blender and I am blending in that highlighter, cream highlighter from ABH. And honestly, it's really dry. So you gotta work really fast and you gotta really blend. I really like the beauty blender because when it's damp, it gives a really smooth blending. And blending is the most important aspect when you are doing underpainting. So take your time, blend, 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 blend to your heart's desire, blend till your arms are sore. You gotta blend. So next I'm grabbing my brush from Juvia's Place and I'm trying to blend out that contour shade, but it wasn't working, so I had to grab a flat-headed denser brush from the Juvia's Place brush set that I ordered and just really diffuse everything out and make sure that it blended in really nicely because it would have been a lot harder to blend the contour in neatly with the beauty blender, and I didn't want to blend the two shades in together. So I'm just using my flat foundation brush to add back in some of that highlighter shade that I was missing because your girl didn't want a small forehead, so I had to do that. And then I'm just using it to also blend out my nose contour. I was clearly feeling myself. And then I'm grabbing my lippy. It is a liquid lipstick from NYX, and honestly, I love it as a blush. Like, I bought it initially for my lips, but now I really use it as a blush shade, and I really, really love it. So if you guys want to try that out, you totally should. It is a lip lingerie from NYX, and everything will be linked below what I'm using. And I'm just cleaning up and everything. And then I'm going to grab my foundation and we are going to get into the next step of this whole tutorial. Backstage foundation. Now the reason why I'm using the Dior Backstage foundation is because it's lightweight, it's matte, and everything will poke through. Do some beautiful makeup tears on the face. And then we're gonna use our beauty blender and we're gonna blend it all in. I cannot lie. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm just gonna lighten just a little bit of concealer, just a little, just a little bit. Okay, I feel like I'm justifying myself, but just a little bit right on my bag because I haven't been sleeping very well lately, and I gotta make sure that it's not showing. So I'm using NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop, Get Guap. Their concealer in the shade Beige. This is a very thick matte concealer as well. So we're going with the matte theme. And because I'm using a lot of mattifying products, I don't have to go overboard in any powders. And honestly, you don't really have to use powder with this technique if you use a very mattifying foundation like the Dior Backstage foundation. In the meantime, I'm just gonna use my Perfect Peach setting powder. Alright, so I did my eyes and my brows off camera. You know, nothing too serious, you know, a little light work, you know, it ain't nothing serious. So, what I'm gonna do next is I'm just gonna brush off the excess powder. I did press it in with my beauty blender, and then I'm just gonna brush it off, and then I'm gonna go into my bronzer because I'm feeling like, although we can still see the blush and the contour and the highlight, I feel like I'm looking a little bit too Casper the Friendly Ghost, so I want to add a little bit more warmth into my skin. So I'm gonna be using Coco Naughty from Fenty Beauty, my ride or die, my go-to. Get rid of my double chin. That's why this contour down here was so important for me, because that double chin is gone. Next, I'm going to go in with my second bronzer that I've been loving. This is the Glow Baked Bronzer by Milani in the number 4. A lot of 4s. I love this bronzer because it reminds me a lot of a blush. Reminds me of like MAC. I don't know. And I'm gonna highlight my face. My Milani Hermosa matte. This, it smells like a slushie. It smells like the cream soda slushie. How we are looking with the new underpainting technique. Yeah, this is the final look, guys. I honestly, hold on, let me bring that one closer. You already know what to do. I honestly love this look. Hold on, let me do the Instagram so you can see how we really looking. How we really looking. This is gonna really explain how we really looking right now, because this camera is a little bit deceiving. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. So, ooh. Yeah, honestly, and I don't even, girl, there is no filter when I'm recording this, and like my skin looks so smooth. It's amazing. I would give this technique a try. I definitely believe that in 2021 and beyond, you're going to be seeing a lot more of underpainting. But, you know, I know you hate to see me go, but you love to watch me leave. So, oh look, me and my baby are matching. Anyways, bye guys. Mwah.